is the amazing Wailing Wall of Wales. In the town of Kenfig, there is a pub where mysterious voices are heard coming from the walls. Indeed, for centuries, both patrons and owners at that pub have said they heard men and women laughing and also the sound of organ music, even when the place is dead empty. So two scientists, John Mark and Alan Jenkins, set up sophisticated electronic equipment there. They recorded for 4 hours and found that there were mysterious voices coming out of those walls. Let's listen to some of what they found. Incredible. Now, we believe this tape is absolutely genuine because of one primary reason. The voices on it are speaking an ancient Welsh dialect no longer heard in Wales. Now you ask, how is it possible for walls to record sound? Well, those scientists found traces of silica and ferric salts in the walls, the very same materials that go into modern recording tape. In other words, the pub was acting as a Titanic recording machine. Unbelievable. I myself would like to visit that pub sometime and hear those voices live for myself.